beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, Metale people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today matter na about where one of our Nollywood actor, where in na R&B and my darling people. The man don't cry out to say he want sign up for Facebook and Instagram. You know, one day anyone again. Say because of wetin people they use in name say they do. He say no fit again, can't take this anymore. I just feel for that man. When I go know the man, one papa lolo like that. The man they make person they laugh, if they talk. Very funny man, you understand? But this thing where they come they do now, it's not good. It's not good at all. Eh? How can somebody you go use the name take open Facebook and YouTube, Facebook? Then they use the name they commit crime. It's not good. Any video when you upload, say that person you go put am for your own too. That is very, very bad. Very bad. Not good at all. And say any video when you upload, the person you go put am for your own. You say, if you just put video, nah. The person will just edit and put am for your own. It's not good. Who no money, you not supposed to spoil person money. You understand? It's not that good at all. This person they use in name, they commit crime, they do different things, of which is not really good. It's not that good at all. Very, very bad. You understand? Very, very bad. He say he don't complain to YouTube, he don't do everything, but they never see respond to them. So maybe he not doing well, I don't know. But if you know any way, one of fit help this our swagalicious man, wanna help him because he say the person don't they use his name too much. He say if you just put video, you could just edit and put her for your own. I say again one video when in doing content say many people take promote each channel. The person still go put her for your own too. And the come they feel say that him they copy that person. Whereas now in your own channel, now the person they come they collect all those things. You understand? Of which is very, very bad. I go still put the video Mona see Siam. Our person go just suffer, doing your video finish, doing your things finish. You go just go carry am. They put for your own channel. You use the name, use everything, use a picture. All the picture where they the man platform, this person don't go screenshot and put her for your own, of which is very, very bad. Not good. Before this man come cry out like this, you know, say the man they in pain. The thing they read the pain for body. You don't know I want go about and begin. Then he come cry out for social media and I say he want come out for Facebook and YouTube. For me, may never come out. Make you try, make the help him. Because if you report that person, if you report him, and they go even sue him, say for him, so they use the name, say they do bad thing, it's not good. Now those kind of people now go use your name to commit crime, finish now. They'll come begin they look for you, make they meme you. It's not good. I beg, may we see the reason things for what they do for this life. Don't use people picture to open YouTube or Facebook. Use your own picture. And my own picture now I use. Use your own picture. Not they use person picture, it's not good. It's not good at all, I didn't go they post the man picture. Anything where the man do, you go they do him. You the say na him. You the say na the man, and not be him. Not be him. So my ogbonge people, I go put the video down and see wetin in talk for that video. So wetin this person they do na very, very bad thing. So before you start to the watch, please subscribe and smash the notification bell. And anything what you think about this video, may you leave your comment. Oh, thank you. Bye.
Good morning to all my noble fans. This goes out to you. My heart bleeds as I'm making this speech. Please, I want you to understand where I'm coming from. Harry B, I want to go off social media. I will stop posting on Instagram or my WhatsApp status. And I know that this will not augur well with you, but please understand where I'm coming from. My reason is that someone is perpetrating criminality with my name. Someone is committing serious crime with my name. Someone used my name, my full name, Harry B. Anyanwu to open up a YouTube account called Harry B. Anyanwu TV. It is not mine. I just realized this when I opened up my own YouTube account called Harry B. TV. I just realized because this guy, every time I post something on my page, he will pick it, edit it, and put it on his Harry B. Anyanwu TV. Now, this has been going on for over 6 months. He has over 60 of my contents on his so-called Harry B. Anyanwu TV. I have written a petition about this to YouTube. All to no avail. No response. Now, the one that really hurts me is the advert I did to promote my own YouTube account. He picked it, edited it, and posted it on his so-called Harry B. Anyanwu TV. This is very hurtful. I'm really mad. I'm angry. I'm mad because everybody knows I'm a hard-working man. I am not a criminal. I don't take what don't belong to me. I don't rub off people's intellectuality. Why is this guy doing this? Is this not wickedness? Eh? I'm now trying to get my own YouTube account. And I'm having issues. Because everything I do is like I'm the one copying from him. So YouTube, please, I am appealing to you. I am specially appealing to you. Look into my case. Investigate that account. Investigate Harry B. Anyanwu TV. It is not me. I'm the real Harry B. This face has no part 2. You can't see this face anywhere. So let that individual provide his identity. YouTube, don't do this to me. Investigate this matter. Instagram, please investigate this matter. Every time I post something, this guy will lift it from my page, edit it, and put it on his page. This is criminality. He's committing crime. He's damaging my name. How can I build this name and somebody wants to destroy it in the name of criminality? So please, to all my noble fans, I want you to understand where I'm coming from. If you have subscribed to that account, Harry B. Anyanwu TV, please undo it. Unsubscribe from it because it is not mine. You're doing it for Harry B, but that is not Harry B. You are doing it for a faceless criminal. Please, all Nigerians, I'm appealing to you, repost this. Support me. Thank you and God bless you.